Hello all. Today we are going to discuss about the process of gametogenesis in human being. So listen, first of all, gametogenesis means what? The process of formation of gametes in sexually reproducing organism is known as the gametogenesis. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about the first process, that is spermatogenesis. So listen, what is meant by spermatogenesis? Spermatogenesis means the process of formation of male gamete, that is sperm or spermatozoa, is known as the spermatogenesis. And the spermatogenesis takes place in male gonad testes. So you all know testes internally lined by the germinal epithelium. Initially, the cells of germinal epithelium undergo spermatogenesis and form sperm. So now in detail we are going to discuss about the process of spermatogenesis. So listen carefully. Initially, the primordial cell of germinal epithelium undergo repetitive mitotic division, and after repetitive mitotic division they form number of spermatogonia. Okay, this is the first phase, that is multiplication phase. Okay, so remember, in multiplication phase the primordial cell undergo repetitive mitotic division and form number of spermatogonia. Then one of these spermatogonia accommodate food and grow in size. Okay, so this phase is called as the growth phase. Okay, so one of these spermatogonia, they accommodate food and they grow in size and form primary spermatocyte. Now listen, these primary spermatocyte undergo first meiotic division and form secondary spermatocyte. This secondary spermatocyte undergoes second meiotic division and form spermatid. Now this spermatid undergoes spermiogenesis and form the male reproductive gamete, that is sperm or spermatozoa. Okay. Now the next one is the oogenesis. So take a screenshot or draw the diagram. Okay. So next phase we are going to discuss about, that is oogenesis. Okay. So listen carefully about the oogenesis. Listen first, oogenesis means what? The process of formation of female gamete, that is ovum, is known as the oogenesis. Okay, and oogenesis takes place in female gonad ovary. Okay, and similarly ovary internally lined by the germinal epithelium. In first phase, that is in multiplication phase, the primordial cells undergo repetitive mitotic division and form number of oogonia. Okay. Then in second phase, that is in growth phase, what happened? Just before the puberty, under the influence of follicle stimulating hormone, one of the oogonia differentiate and they form primary oocyte. Okay. Then in third phase, that is in multiplication phase, what happened? Same like a spermatogenesis, but one of the difference in third phase, that is in maturation phase, what happened? This primary oocyte undergo first meiotic division, but here the nuclear division is equal, but the cytoplasmic division is unequal. So the larger size secondary oocyte is formed and small polar body release. Okay. Now the secondary oocyte undergo second meiotic division and two polar bodies are formed, but same time ovum is released out of the ovary. But this second meiosis arrested at metaphase stage, they completed in the process of fertilization. So in next video we will discuss about the fertilization in human being. Thank you.